Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm giving you a full tour of my minimalistic desk setup as a software engineering student. I'm currently doing a mostly remote software engineering internship and working on my startup Clava, which means I practically live at my desk. So having a setup that's both functional and distraction-free is absolutely crucial for my productivity. The centerpiece of my setup is this standing desk I got from Desky. Here's why this is a game changer for me. After sitting for hours coding or studying, my back would kill me and my focus would just crash. This desk has 3 preset heights that I can set so I can switch between sitting and standing with one button press. I typically alternate every 2 to 3 hours because standing keeps my energy up, and honestly, it helps me think more clearly when I'm debugging code. It's 71 inches long, which gives me tons of room to spread out, which I love because I hate feeling cramped when working. There's even a built-in timer that reminds you to switch positions. 8 months in, I use this standing feature every single day. This is my M3 MacBook Pro with 16GB of RAM. I went with the upgraded RAM because as a software engineering student, you end up with a lot of stuff running simultaneously. VS Code with multiple projects open, browsers with documentation tabs, development servers, and Spotify in the background. The base 8GB that I had on my previous MacBook would constantly hit its memory limits and slow everything down. This machine handles everything: coding for school projects, building my startup, and even editing these videos. The M3 chip is incredibly fast, and I haven't hit any performance walls yet. I keep it on this laptop stand that I got from Amazon, which elevates it to eye level. This serves 2 purposes: better ergonomics for my neck, and it turns the laptop into a perfect second screen for things like using it as a terminal, notes, or Spotify. I use a 34-inch LG ultrawide monitor. Now, this monitor completely transformed how I work. Before this, I had a tiny 24-inch display and constantly felt like I was playing Tetris with the different windows that I had open. This 34-inch ultrawide gives me the screen real estate of 2 monitors without the annoying gap in the middle. When I'm coding, I can have VS Code taking up 2/3 of the screen and a browser with documentation on the side. I mounted it on this Amazon monitor arm, which not only looks cleaner but frees up valuable desk space underneath, giving my setup a minimalistic and clean look. The light bar on top is clutch for late night work sessions because it illuminates my keyboard without creating glare on the screen, and it seriously reduces eye strain during late night work sessions. For peripherals, I'm using the Logitech MX Keys S keyboard and the MX Master 3S mouse. The keyboard feels premium. The keys have the perfect amount of travel, and the slight curve on each key just feels right under your fingers. The mouse is where things get really interesting. It has all these customizable buttons that I've programmed for different shortcuts. The scroll wheel can switch between smooth scrolling for documents and tactical scrolling for precise work. Plus, I can seamlessly switch between my MacBook and my work computer with just the press of a button. The Logitech Options Plus software lets you customize everything, allowing me to set up shortcuts for window management, app switching, and even some custom macros for repetitive coding tasks. Finally, there's always a notebook on my desk. Call me old school, but I plan out my entire day the night before, so I'll write down my main priorities, any meetings or deadlines, and break down larger tasks into smaller chunks. There's something about physically writing things down that makes them feel more concrete. And that's my entire setup. The key for me was investing in quality pieces that serve multiple purposes and actually improve how I work, not just how my desk looks. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.